how you keep kids from shooting up schools. Dads, hang out with them, love on them. Let them go outdoors, let them enjoy life and see how beautiful life is, instead of having their face buried all the time. Some of you might even say, oh, well, that's dangerous though. You're living on the edge. They're riding four-wheelers without helmets. They're shooting guns. They're playing and swimming in the Trinity River or wherever. Oh yeah? Where is it?
Right here. You see that? It's right there. It's right there. Ah, run!
Where is it? Where is it?
Right here. Right here. Right here. Grab it. Whoa, you got it.
Grab it, Ori. It's biting me. Grab it.
Okay. Wait, I didn't get it in a good spot.
Grab it by the head.
But where's the head? Sorry. I didn't mean to let go. Where's the head? Where's the head?
Follow the body all the way to the head, right there.
Follow the body.
There you go. Grab it by the head.
Oh.
I mean, you can bite me. It's fine. It won't kill me, but.
Where's the head? Oh, wait. Get it? Go. Okay, where's the head? Go. Whoa. Let's run. Got it. I want to hold it.
It's gonna poop on you. That's okay. Snakes are out, guys. They're coming out. What is it? Anybody know?
I think it's a ribbon.
Ribbon snake. Good job.
Run.
Yeah, we're gonna feed it. We're possibly gonna feed it to Kingsley. We needed food. How do you know it's a ribbon snake? You got that dot on the head and you got the black tip on the tongue. You can tell it just came out. Here's how we know it's been buried up, guys. It's got mud all over it. You see it, Dori?
Yeah.
It's been underground. It's skinny. See how skinny he is? So he's hungry. Hold it by the neck, but not too tight.
Okay, here. I want to hold him.
Don't drop him, because then you have to chase him. And then the other body, and then grab by the body too. Right there, just like that.
Now can I do it?
All right, now give it to Jace. Jace, you know how to do it? Because he can bite you, so you got to grab the head.
Grab right there.
Oh yeah, if you don't grab the head, he'll turn around and bite you.
Whoa.
Let go for a second. Let go, Jace. Okay, so it shouldn't bite if it knows we're not going to hurt it. If you just kind of hold it gently.
Please don't bite me, little snake.
So this snake came out of its den. So he's not musking on us a lot because he doesn't have a lot of poop in him, because he hasn't been eating. You can see how skinny he is. He's got no fat part on him, and he's got mud on him still from being on the ground. You see it?
Good thing I didn't step on like here or here.
So this is the ribbon snake. We're gonna take it home and we're gonna see if Kingsley's gonna eat it, our king snake, because he has not eaten in a while. So beautiful ribbon snake. He did start biting me, but I let him bite my shirt, and then it didn't actually puncture through. He's got very small, tiny teeth, almost like fiberglass.
Don't squeeze it, Jace.
Just kind of let it go through, Jace, and then with one hand hold it by the head and the other hand by the...
Like slip it through like this, okay?
Yep.
And let it roll. Okay?
That's a good size ribbon snake.
Don't squeeze it.
Actually.
I don't want to hold it.
It's just skinny. And I'm pretty sure it's in the garter family, but I'm pretty sure it's not a garter snake. I'm pretty sure it's a ribbon snake.
Yeah.
It's just probably one of the longest ones we've seen. Oh, we've had pretty big ones, but it's pretty long. This one's long.
That one bites. Wait, you know what?
What are you eating?
We've had ones about the size to here.
Josh, we don't know if that's edible.
It's yummy. We had it to here, Daddy. 1, 2, 3. I swallowed it. It's yummy.
Wait, you got to know a plant's
Daddy,
edible
look.
before you start eating it.
It's edible.
It's not edible.
Dad,
It's not
look.
onions. I knew it. I told the kids. I said, look out for snakes, guys. It's a warm day. It's probably early spring. They think it's spring, even though it's not spring yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and head to the river and have our picnic. Keep an eye out for snakes, guys. You all right, buddy? Anyway, like I was telling you, take these kids out. Let them live a healthy life. It doesn't mean that they're necessarily going to be outdoor kids or anything like that, but they're going to experience love and the beauty of nature and life. And Daddy gets a little bit of his exercise. What is it, Ori?
It's not a bobcat or a coyote. It has fuzz in it. Yep. It could be a bobcat or a coyote.
Sure could.
It stinks. I think it's a coyote.
Okay, river looks like it's a little lower than last time. A lot lower than last time. So river is, oh, that was something right there. What was that? Oh, that was a big something. Are the gar biting?
Yep.
Oh, is that an alligator? Is that an alligator over there? Where? Look on the bank.
Are you serious?
Is that an alligator head?
Are you serious?
No, I'm asking you.
Where? I can't see.
Dude, it looks like an alligator head.
Where?
Down, 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 down.
Oh, yeah.
How beautiful.
Daddy, you see the
We're over here at the Trinity River having a picnic. We didn't even bring our fishing poles. It's kind of flooded. It's not perfect conditions. But we're enjoying the weather and just having a picnic. You're going to ruin your teeth or you just want to use a knife maybe?
It's not called jellyfish. Jellyfish. I know. Jellyfish. No.
Where are we right now?
At the nearly.
So we're out here having a picnic. It's a beautiful day today.
And we see a plane.
Airplane flying. It's a fly zone over here. Lord, we thank you for our food. We thank you for this day. We're thankful. Let us always have gratitude, laughter, and love. Family and friends. Jay, sit down. You roll right down this thing. You ain't going nowhere.
Amen.
Amen. Enjoy your sandwiches. It's almost spring, and we're feeling it in Texas. We're gonna go check out this water hole to see if we see any fish. Looks like we had a little helicopter over here. Pregnant mama too. Got all these beetles breeding on this hog. Oh, weird back here. Hold on, Jace, what's that?
Comment down below is who shot this hog.
You said comment down below who shot this hog?
Yeah.
Good job, Jace. No, hold on, I gotta call Uncle Bill. So this hog, this sow right here is dead. I don't know how long she's been dead, but she doesn't stink yet. But they've had helicopter hunts, and we think maybe this one was shot here. We'll check to see if any shots here that I can see. Yeah, it looks like he got shot here. Looks like she was shot right here in the neck, back of the neck.
Ew! That tail is bleeding.
Yeah, she was shot.
Ew! Look at her right there. Look at this right there.
Yeah, shot in the leg too.
Who would do such a thing?
Somebody shooting from a helicopter, probably.
Oh, wait.
Well, I mean, they came on our property and shot the hog from a helicopter. Right over here.
That's not right.
Of course it's not right. Yeah, it was shot right there. But yeah, we believe this pig was poached by a helicopter. Yeah, go ahead. Just normal.
Like this?
Doing good. I'll give it a little more hands, but not fast. Slow. Just like squeezing your gun, you gotta squeeze it slow. I think there's a beaver that lives in that thing. It is spring in Texas. Definitely. What is it? Kids enjoying a little Texas spring. Y'all want to go on and drive in the water a little bit? Not if you had your hand in there. Here's a group of fire ants. Y'all ready?
Don't pick it up. It's going to burn you. Okay, Dad, set him down, please. Sit down! Okay,
Hold on. Who wants to hold him?
No! I want to poke it. No, that's not. Daddy?
Ever held 1,000,000 fire ants? Well, there it is. 1,000,000 fire ants in my hand, starting to bite and sting. Here they go. They're starting to sting.
They're on you. Okay. They're saving their queen. You see the queen right there?
There is a queen there. Watch out. That's why they gathered here. Oh, you want to hold them?
No, thank you. Squish them.
It's kind of fun.
Hey, that's my mom. That's low.
Show you how many there are. Watch this. They're all held together right here.
Daddy, that's my mom.
Look how many. Ori wants to hold this group of fire ants.
This is scary.
Ori's holding a group of fire ants right now. Pick it up to your face.
Me turn. Okay, I'm gonna turn. Me turn.
Get them off your hands.
My turn. My turn. Fire ants, get them off me.
Are they biting?
Get them off me. No, I don't want fire.
Have you ever seen a ball of fire ants? They're right here. Literally a ball of fire ants. That's so weird.
I don't have a fire, and yet they're fire ants. They shouldn't just.
It's a ball of fire ants. Look at them. This is a ball of fire ants. Look, staying together. Look, like a snowball. This is all fire ants. Look at them right here. Hold on. That is a ball of fire ants. Some of them are biting me right now. But literally there's just a little bit of grass, but for the most part, before I put the grass in there was nothing but fire ants in here. Literally a ball of fire ants. That could probably kill you if you let them all bite you. Go ahead, Jace, pick them up. Pick them up, throw them in the water. You ready? Jace, pick it up, throw it in the water. Good job, buddy.
Rinse your hands. Put your hand in the water.
Until they get to land. Well, we want to thank you for joining us on our picnic. We're going to go ahead and continue riding. What can I say? I mean, if I can say anything, I would say find your jungle, find your wild, find the outdoors, love God, love your family. See you next time. Who knows where it's going to be. But this is what we do. And it's most likely going to be somewhere outside. Possibly with these monkeys.